Okay, so for this assignment, you guys are going to be asked to do one more round of copying this stuff down. Yesterday, you guys wrote it all out with a pencil and paper. Today, you're going to be typing it. Now, you can do it the standard way of sitting down and like just copy it from what you get in the monologues folder. So over in the monologues folder, let's say I'm going to go look for the one that I am assigned. So I open up this one. So it's going to open up all 9 of these. Now, when you open up these 9, from here, when you then select your monologue, you can just look at it and open up another window where you just type it and you look at like 2 windows at the same time. Or to make things a little bit easier for you, if you navigate with me a little bit, you can get the text for yourself and be able to copy paste it into the document that you need for later in the activity. So what you want to do is once you are in the monologues folder from Schoology and you open up the packet to where you have your monologue specifically, you're going to get up to the top here and you should see a browser tab that says Open With. So if you click on Open With and you go say Open With Google Docs, it will open up in Google Docs as a document that looks like this. Now, it may come out on your Google Docs being a little bit all jumbled with like the acting hints and some of these logos and labels being, askew. But all you have to do then is scroll down to the one that you're going to use. So let's say I'm doing this one with the girl talking to her car. And once I simply copy that and say Control C, go over to my document, and I have my text, and I don't have to type it all. So that should save some time. Next, what you're going to want to do for the rest of the activity is this. As you now have your text typed out on a document, you're going to start to line up all of the sentences, one sentence for each line. So, Herman, I want you to listen and listen good. I'm going to just hit enter. We're going for a drive and you're not going to give me any grief. Period. Good. You're going to start properly. You're going to stall. You're not going to make those knock knock noises like last time, like this, and so forth. So every time you reach the end of the sentence, you start a new line. Once you have done that, you are then going to number those sentences. Once you've gone through the entire monologue, you're then going to number each one of those sentences so that you can answer the questions in the activity at the end, talking about how many lines you have. Pretty simple.